Well, in case you missed it, March is Women's History Month, a month dedicated to highlighting and honoring women around the world who are making an impact. I had the chance to speak with Lindsay Kirby, the owner of Sculpt Tri-Cities, and talk about her accomplishments both here in the Tri-Cities and internationally.
But I couldn't let my dream go, and I really just saw, honestly, it came from my heart of wanting to help people.
And 7 years later, Lindsay Kirby's dream of wanting to help people turned into a successful business, taking the Tri-Cities and the world by storm.
Our mission is to impact the quality of lives for people in our community, and so the success relates to me as that we're doing that, we're having an impact.
An impact felt not only in Tri-Cities, but internationally as well. Last year, Sculpt Tri-Cities was awarded Business on a Roll by the Tri-City Regional Chamber of Commerce, as well as Best in the Tri-Cities for weight loss. Recently, Lindsay won the Rising Star Award from the Cryotherapy Industry National Association, recognizing her and her team's work for the impact they're having in the area.
It feels for me personally empowering, and that I want to pass that on to future generations, and the things that I've learned, how rare it is for female-owned business to have the type of success that we've had. That makes me want to also give back to other females that want to or have the dream of starting their own business. One time someone told me that rhinos can't back up, and so just to be a rhino and you will find success, because just keep moving forward. It's in the past, and just keep going.
And for those who are curious about the services that Sculpt Tri-Cities offers,
we say start the conversation. We have wellness nurses, we have wellness technicians, we have a functional nurse practitioner, but it always just starts with a conversation about you and the wellness that you want to experience, or the better you that you want to feel.
Yeah, and Lindsay is truly a force to be reckoned with and an inspiration to women entrepreneurs both locally and around the world. If you want more information about Sculpt Tri-Cities, you can visit either one of their 2 locations up on your screen right now in Pasco and in Kennewick, or you can visit their website and set up a free consultation. And everyone, remember, be like a rhino and just continue moving forward. Isn't that a great little saying, Stace?
I like it.
Right?
Be a rhino.
We had a little debate. She was trying to say like rhinoceroses, or like I was like, is it rhinoceri or is it just rhinos? We'll figure it out.
There you go.
Alrighty. Well, Stace.